happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ma'am Melo! Happy birthday, Ma'am! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay bigyan ka pa po ng maraming birthday na darating. And stay kind and pretty. And thank you for everything, Ma'am Melo, sa mga basta lahat. Thank you. And salamat sa kabaitan mo sa amin, Ma'am. Thank you. And enjoy your day. And mag-ingat ka po palagi kayo ni Sir Ward. And God bless you more. And yun. Bye-bye.
Magandang araw po. Amazing Pia Milo team. Ayun. Babatiin ko lang po si Sisi Milo sa kanyang birthday. Happy birthday po Sisi Milo. Ayun. Thankful na nasa group ako. Ayun. Miss you all. Amazing Pia Milo team. Ayan. Happy birthday Sisi Milo, and God bless you more. More birthdays to come, and God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello everyone, and yes, mega love shoutout sa lahat ng mga tao sa mundo. Yes, I wanna greet Sis Pia Milo a very happy birthday and more years to celebrate. Sis Pia, you are our mentor and our our ate in the white world. Thank you for guiding us somehow. Your ideas, your opinion, your advices, and etc. Somehow help our YouTube, being a YouTube vlogger journey next. So enjoy and still be in the YT actively, and we will be there. And yeah, stay blessed and also stay young. I love you, Sis Pia. God bless you always.
Hello, good morning everyone, and I just wanna say happy birthday to Ate Milo, and also regards to Kuya Ward. Sana okay lang kayong dalawa dyan, at tungkol naman dun sa mga sumusuporta, gusto ko rin kayo pasalamatan dahil nandiyan kayo lagi at sumusuport sa channel ni Ate Milo. Sana patuloy natin siyang suportahan sa kanyang channel. Ayan guys, nandito lang ako. Hindi ako laging nakakapasok sa mga live nyo, pero sana pag nagkaroon ako ng chance, makapunta din ako. Pasensya na kayo. Bye for now. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Melo. Hi, Ma'am Melo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ito po si
Ako
Ethan
ni
Chan. And si Che Madrid po. Happy birthday, Ma'am Melo. More birthdays to you. Bye-bye. Take care always.
Hello po, pretty host Pillow. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you always, and may God grant all your wishes. Happy birthday po. Salamat sa suporta. Stay happy and strong po. Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Milo. Stay healthy. I love you. Birthday, Auntie Milo. Happy birthday, Auntie Milo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Milo. You are the best. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mamilo. Have a blessed one. And sana happy ka today. Not only today, but every day. And ang wish ko lang naman is i-provide or i-grant ni Lord ang desire ng iyong puso. And of course, yung good health yun is Sir Ward and happiness. And continue lang, enjoy lang ang pagwa-whitey, and of course, you're a very strong woman. And nasa sa iyo naman lahat. And yun lang talaga lagi, you know, yung good health, yung happiness niyo palagi ni Sir Ward. And again, Mamilo, happy birthday! More candles to blow with your loved ones and your family, with your friends. And sana patuloy pa rin ang iyong pagiging strong woman. And again, Mamilo, happy birthday!
Hello, Sisi Pia. Happy birthday. I wish good health, more birthday to come, more life para more dut-dutan. And thank you sa mga blessing na na-share mo sa amin. Happy birthday.
I know I've been missing in action for this past few months, but I won't miss this day because it's your birthday. To the most diligent person I ever encountered in YouTube, very knowledgeable at napakabait. Amita Milo, thank you so much for everything that you've done for me, and also sa group natin. Alam kong hindi mo kami nakakalimutan kahit sa sobrang dami namin. So for this past few months, I've been missing in action. I'll be back soon, but I won't forget everything that you taught us. Continue po na good health, and I wish na humaba pa ng mahaba ang iyong life and happiness. Ciao! Happy birthday!
Ate Milo, a happy birthday. More birthdays to come in a good healthy. Stay safe, enjoy your special day, and God bless you.
Hi everyone, this is Jenny Morelia, and this is my daughter, Chanala Faustine. Happy birthday, Tita Milo. Wishing you all the best in life, at mag-iingat po kayo palagi ni Tito Ward sa kahit saan man po kayo magpunta. Thank you po sa mga blessings na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Si Lord na po bahala magsukli sa inyo at magbalik ng mga blessings na pinamimigay niyo po sa maraming tao. Ingat po kayo palagi, and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Tita Melo.
Hello everyone, Chris Life USA here. Binabati ko nga pala si Sisi Pia ng happy birthday, Sisi Philippine Islands and US Adventure. And sana sa kaarawan mo na ito guys, Sisi ay oh my God, nahiya tuloy ako. Sana sa kaarawan mo ngayon ay mag-enjoy ka, and wish ko lang more healthy and more happy birthdays to come to celebrate. And yeah, so sa muli, happy birthday Sisi Pia. Salamat din sa lahat ng mga suporta niyo sa amin, ng mga small YouTuber, and sa mga friend natin sa Pia Milo team. We are very grateful and thankful to have you in our life. So, ganun. Ganun na yun. Yun na yun. Basta, naka-greet na ako ng happy birthday. Kahit nandito ako sa malayo-layo. Alright. So, yun lang po. At nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng tulong ni Sisi Pia sa ating Pia Milo team. Alright. So, bye muna. Bye for now. At kami ay maglalakad.
Hello, Sisi Pia, shout out sa'yo dyan. Siyempre, at sa lahat ng Pia Milo team, shout out sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Sisi, good morning. Stop muna ako sa aking trabaho para mag-message sa iyo ng konti, ng saglit lang. Happy birthday, Sisi! Enjoy your special day. Ayan. Sisi, nagpapasalamat ako dahil sa malaking tulong na naiibigay mo sa aking channel. Ayan, dahil sa iyong 4 na mansion. Ayan, diba? Salamat ng marami, Sisi. Isa ka sa aking solid na member. Yan. Isa ka ron. Kabilang ka doon. Yan. Salamat ng maraming Sisi sa iyong support sa aking channel. At syempre, wish ko rin na sana'y maabot mo na ang 100 subscriber para magkaroon ka na ng silver button. Diba? Salamat ng marami, Sisi, talaga sa lahat-lahat. Ayan. Wish ko lang, bigyan ka ni Lord ng malakas na pangangatawan, mahabang buhay. Ayan, enjoy lang ang buhay, Sisi. Enjoy lang sa YT. Salamat din, Sisi, dahil isa ako sa top 5 sa BOTC mo. Nakakasali ako sa top 5. Ayan. Salamat ng maraming Sisi talaga. Wala akong masabi kundi talagang maraming salamat sa iyo. Napakalaking tulong talaga. At na, yung ganun lang, give and take, diba? Ganun lang naman talaga sa YT. Supportahan, diba? Ayan, Sisi. Happy birthday, Sisi! Anong handa mo? Pakain naman dyan. Sayang nga nung umuwi ka, Sisi, hindi ako nakaano. Kasi wala pa ako sa Pinas. Gustong-gusto ko talaga ma-meet ka ng personal. Pero soon, sana magkita rin tayo ng personal para iba naman yung sa personal tsaka yung sa sa video lang, di ba? Ayun lang, Sisi, maraming salamat talaga. Wish you all the best, especially to your channel. Ayan. Sana marami pang subscriber talaga ang makamit mo para marating mo na yon yung 100 subscriber. Good luck, Sisi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sisi. Yoo-hoo! God bless.
Hello, Pia Milo team. Today is the birthday of our very own team leader, Ma'am Pia, USA. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you very much. Today is your happy birthday. Celebrating your secret age. Yes, Ma'am Pia. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Pia Milo, USA, Philippine Islands Adventure, Melo, USA, Pia Shorts, Pia Orchids Garden, USA, Inspiring Content, USA. Thank you so much, Ma'am Pia. Thank you for being very supportive with us, even though we are not yet active. Thank you for non-stop supporting with us. Thank you also for being a good model, a good leader, and inspiring us for being a content creator even though we are not sikat. Thank you so much, Mom, and God bless you. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And happy birthday. Thank you. and God bless you. Bye-bye. Love you, Ma'am Pia, and all the rest of our team, the Pia Melo team. Love you so much. Bye-bye. God bless us all.
Hello, Sisi Pia! Ayan, nandito na naman ako at oh my God, birthday mo na naman pala. Parang kailan lang ako bumati sa iyo ah. Isang taon na pala yun. Oh my goodness, pag busy talaga ang isang tao, hindi mo na mamalaya na birthday mo na, di ba? Kaya keep busy lang para kumbaga hindi natin maramdaman na lumipas na pala yung panahon. So ayan, nandito ako para batiin ka ng isang happy birthday at wish ko lang na sana huwag ka magbago at wish ko lang na sana malayo lagi sa sakit para makapag-travel ka pa. At gusto kong i-ano sa'yo na yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na kailangan ma-experience mo, yung magkukross, ayan. So wish ko sa'yo na sana magiging healthy ka pa at saka asawa mo para magagawa nyo yung sinishare ko sa'yo, Sisi Pia, and I'm sure mag-i-enjoy ka doon. At ayan lang, ang lagi kong nasabi rin sa sarili ko na masaya rin ako at mapalad ako dahil isa ako sa mga members ng Pia Melo team. Ayan, nabulolok doon na. Ayan, masaya ako dahil hanggang ngayon ano pa rin yung mga tao, kumbaga sulit pa rin yung samahan. So, nagpapasalamat ako dahil ikaw yung leader ng namin dito sa Pia Melo team at syempre, lagi kang nandyan, nakasubaybay sa mga grupo mo at syempre, sinusuportahan mo lagi. Kaya masayang-masaya ako dahil kahit paano, very supportive ka naman. Kahit busy ka, ayan, hindi mo nakakalimutang sumuporta sa amin. At lalong-lalo na rin sa live ko, kahit busy ka, ayan, nakasuporta ka rin sa akin. At yun lang, Sisi Pia, yun lang ang masasabi ko na sana huwag kang magbago. At siyempre, masayang-masaya ako dahil unang-una, nakita na tayo sa personal at nakilala na kita ng personal. At siyempre, nakita ko naman na mabait ka at sana huwag kang magbago. Sana marami ka pang matutulungan ng mga tao. Pero alam ko naman talaga hanggang ngayon talagang tumutulong ka pa sa kanila. So yun lang, ang masasabi ko lang na sana continue mo lang yung ginagawa mo.
Hi guys! MLSO sa lahat, especially to the birthday girl na si Sis Pia, the queen of Pia Melo team. I just want you to greet a happiest birthday, Sis Pia, and very thankful of your support, and you are very generous to all the people here in YouTube, and we are very grateful to have you, to meet you. And pasensya, sometimes I'm behind, but this summertime we've been riding around. And pasensya din sa mga lahat na na-miss ko, sa mga support ko din. At pasasalamat na din sa inyong lahat sa mga supporta ninyo na ibinigay sa akin maski behind din ako. So anyway, I wish you all the best, Sis Pia, for being one of the best. And I'm very thankful also that I meet you here in YouTube and Facebook. So I wish you all the best. God bless and enjoy life. Have a blast whatever you do. And take care always. We always here behind the scene kasi minsan busy talaga ang life. And I just wish you a happy life all the time. So thank you and see you around. Happy birthday. God bless.
Welcome to Mama Lou channel, and I'm here to greet a happy birthday to Sis Melo, Philippine Islands and USA Adventures. Happy birthday and enjoy your summer. Dito talaga ako sa kaibigan ako, nagawa ako ng video na may mga bulaklak kasi alam kong si Sis Sis Pia, mahilig sa bulaklak. So, thank you also Ichay sa pagpasama mo sa akin sa pag-rate ng happy birthday kay Sis Melo. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Melo. You're the best. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
To Ate Pia, I'm wishing you an awesome birthday with good luck on your way. Stay blessed and happy today and always. Happy birthday from Nanette.
Hi, Sis Via. Good day to you. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and more blessing to come. And hope your birthday magiging masaya, maunlad, at good health sa'yo. Glad to meet you during the Sukmed. Salamat sa lahat. Happy
Guys, this is Pinay Campers and good morning, good afternoon, good evening kung saan man kayo sa lupalop sa buong mundo. And today, I would like to greet my very good friends a very happy birthday. She is so kind and generous, very supportive to all Pia Melo team, and she is our mentor, our leaders, and she always share new ideas that make our channel to grow. Very supportive to my channel, to my 3 channels. So in fact, she's a member of Pinay Camper USA and the Adventures of Sammy and Lily, and now I have another channel, Sammy and Lily, and thank you so much guys to all your support, and my channel will not be successful without your support. And today is her birthday and I would like her to greet a very happy birthday. May all her dreams come true and always have good health, especially to her hubby. And thank you for your kind and generosity, sis, and I always treasure our friendship. Thank you and God bless you. Happy birthday again. Bye guys.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Pia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Ma'am Melo. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ma'am Melo.
Happy birthday po. At sana po,
happy birthday.
Ingatan nyo po yung sarili nyo, yung kalusugan nyo. At stay lang po dyan sa inyo at happy lang po tayo. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Pia, sa lahat-lahat ng mga blessing na sinishare mo. I love you, Ma'am Melo, or Ma'am Pia. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Good morning po, Ma'am Melo. Ma'am Melo, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day po, Ma'am Melo. Thank you po for everything. Happy birthday po. Good health always po. Sa inyo po, ng party niyo po. Salamat po.
Hello, Ate Melo! Long time no see. Kamusta po kayo? And also, I'm here because I would love to say happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Sisi Melo! happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng madaming taon to celebrate para pagpatuloy mo yung pagiging kind mo. Marami ka pang matulungan ng tao, lalo na sa Pilipinas. Nangangailangan talaga sila ng tulong. So, once again, happy birthday. Stay healthy and blessed. God bless you more, Sisi. Love you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello everyone! Andito na naman ako sa inyong harapan kasi ako po ay naimbitahan na mag-send ng birthday greetings to our President of Pia Milo Team. So, happy birthday to you, Ma'am Pia. I know na God already granted you whatever desires in your life. So, ang wish ko is happy ka always. Diba? And of course, good health is very important and more success in your life. And I know God already granted you a lot of success. So I wish na more success pa. Diba? And also, there's a safety always wherever you go, whatever you do. And also, mag-thank you ko to Ichay for asking to have greetings for you, and also thank you sa inyo po sa mga advice nyo and sa yung channel na nakapagbigay ng inspiration to all of us and mentoring us, especially the guidelines. So I've learned a lot from you. So thank you very much. And also thank you naka-join ko sa Pia Milo Team. And I think that's all for now. Sa ngayon parang busy muna ako sa YT. Siguro next time or soon or I don't know na makapag-concentrate na ako sa pag-YT. So, bawi lang ako next time. So, that's all. Thank you very much and happy birthday. This is Tripney Eve. Happy birthday to you.
Hi po, Miss Milo. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish ko po sa inyo ay mas lumakas pa and good health.